Hey, this is Roger. I'm on location at Walnut Creek in the D.R. Horton section, right around the corner from Millbridge with the D.R. Horton section. And I'm out with Jack, the real estate dog. Jack, do you like this house? This is called the London. What do you think? He wants to come in and take a tour, but he's got to guard the front here. So what's frustrating sometimes is that when a house, well, first of all, let me preface. Most people buy the model. They build models very strategically because they know what houses will sell. Here in Walnut Creek, D.R. Horton just opened up a new Hampshire, I call it Hampshire, model. Boy, that's pretty with that really nice coffer. So you've got a formal dining room off to your right, the garage is to your left. And so people typically buy the model. Now a plan like this, which is a great plan, 36-inch cabinets, nice, corner pantry, refrigerator, nice open island. How do you see a house like this if there's none built? So this house is complete. And if you and I come here next week, probably won't be able to find a London to look at, or maybe one that's just framed but no drywall. But this is a really nice open plan. It's got the corner fireplace. And by the way, Walnut Creek and Millbridge are two fabulous communities just across the state line. And so Millbridge is in Waxhaw, North Carolina. Come across the state line there, and here we are, coming in from the garage, little closet. It's got a full bath. Now here's the trend. Here's the trend. There's a full bath there. And here is a downstairs guest suite. See, this is magnificent for people with aging parents and have a place for long-term guests, or maybe this is your workout room, or maybe an office, because there is no office up front. Really nice. Opens up, wide open. That's what we like, right? Nice wide open plan. And guest suite and full bath on the main. I think it's pretty substantial. A lot of people do opt for, boy, that's some nice looking millwork right there though. A lot of people opt for stairs, treads that basically are oak. This is carpet. This is actually a home that you can build not only here, but also, as I said, in Mill Creek next door. You know, I'm sorry, Millbridge. I'm thinking Walnut Creek, Millbridge. Master, nice big closet. Tray ceiling with crown. Good sized master bedroom suite. Little niche off to the side there. D.R. Horton, I know, very excited about this new section. Wow, look at that shower. So no bath, but a substantial shower. That's what most people are going for these days anyway, in my world. Yeah. Pricing's really good here. D.R. Horton has been America's largest home builder. They're neck and neck right now with Lennar that just acquired Cal Atlantic. So that's our second bedroom. One downstairs, guest, master up. And here's a third bedroom facing the front of the house. This is a Jack and Jill. So you've got two doors coming in, very nice. Granite. You get a lot for your money with D.R. Horton. They're a production builder. They do know how to do it. So that feels like the fourth bedroom. Is there another? We've got another full bath right here. So it's adjacent to, right at the top of the stairs, very handy. Ooh, that's cool. Well, it seems like this would be a cool playroom. That looks like a playroom, doesn't it? Following the roof line. And then you've got a closet. So technically this is a bedroom, but I think a lot of people would use this as a media room, a theater room, and maybe you put a day bed in there. And if you need it as a guest bedroom, then bam, you've already got that day bed in there. Sweet. So this is the London plan from D.R. Horton. Give me a call, and your relocation, my services to you are free. My price is already built in. My professional fee is already built into the price of the home. So you don't save any money by not having an agent. They're happy to have a professional at the other end of the transaction. And this is what I do. I'd love to help you. 704-345-3400. Reference the London from D.R. Horton.